All right, so crypto continues to move up. Bitcoin now over 59,000. You can see it right there at 59,357. We're going to talk about that. We're going to dive into that, but also we're going to talk about how long will this last? What do we have here? How much runway do we have, and what's going to happen leading up to the Bitcoin halving and all that kind of stuff, and the impact on all of crypto. Okay, so this is relevant to you. This is crypto news to you if you own any crypto at all. As always, smash that like button, please, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so recording the video, Bitcoin and all of crypto are up. We're up 2.77%, and we're at a $2,210,000,000,000 market. Dominance continues to move up on Bitcoin a little bit. Yesterday it was 52.2. Today it's 52.7. Not really surprising. Like I said, Bitcoin up over 59,000. We're at 3.87% up. Let me show you this chart to give you a lot better insight into the move up for Bitcoin. So from this low point right here to where we're at right now, that's a 52% move up in that blue box I see there. You see right there in the last 36 days. Now, I want to point out, got to give myself a little plug here. That is my software. My light just went out, didn't it? I'm having problems with those. All right. So approximately 30 days ago, my software said it's time to buy Bitcoin, and it's up basically 41%. Okay. So if you're interested, links in the description below if you want to pick up my software. 30-day, no questions asked, refund guarantee. It's a trading indicator. It sends you alerts to your phone, tells you when to buy, when to sell, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So it's down there, complete refund guarantee and a discount down there as well. It's basically $1 a day is what it costs you. Okay. So what I wanted to look at was a couple of things. Number one, we got Bitcoin, as we know, up 59.39. That's good stuff. I love it. Okay. And what I'm looking at right here on the is yeah. So our 24-hour high as of the recording of this video has been 59.489. So we're right there at that 24-hour high. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show you. Remember at the top of the video, I said, hey, how long will it last? Okay. So I want to show you this from Rect Capital. Time for deeper pullbacks has ended. That means that right now we're not going to see any significant pullbacks. Okay. Now it's all about the Bitcoin pre-halving rally in the light blue box. I'll show you this graph here in just a minute, which should still last a few more weeks before a final pre-halving retrace dark blue circle. Okay, so here's what it comes down to. And I want to focus you can't see that. Let me move a picture of me. There we go. Okay, so I want to focus you on this right side. See where it says 2024. See this light blue box over here with the blue circle. Okay, so what he's saying, Rect Capital saying, is that we've entered into this blue box. Historically, if you go back over here on the lower left and you look at 2020, 21, see this blue box on the left, how Bitcoin almost tripled in that box. Okay. So that's the section that we're entering into now. Okay. So the good news here is that, again, we're in that blue box. History has proven that Bitcoin will rise in this period. Okay. Which again drags up all of crypto. Remember, I talk about this all the time. If Bitcoin goes up back to its all-time high, 68,000. And so you're going to see all of crypto go up. I mean, Ethereum is up $1,200 in the last 30 days. It's up dramatically. Okay. So everything's up. Solana's up. Everything's up. XRP, everything will continue to rise. Not up the second. I mean, there's a little bit of red on that screen there, but you get my point. Okay. So, so that's what we're talking about, how we're in the blue box now. Now, do I expect Bitcoin to almost triple like it did back in 2021? No, I don't think so. I think it's too big. It's too much, just bigger in that capacity. So, but I think, again, I'm pretty reasonable in saying, or I feel that we can definitely get back to our all-time high, which was 68,000, right at 68.8. Okay, in that area. Yeah, and we'll get back there. Now, the how long will it last component is this. Remember, he talks about in this blue circle, we will see possibly a pullback or a sell the news scenario there. Okay, so remember, he said a few more weeks before, which should last a few more weeks before a pre-halving retrace dark blue circle. Okay, so I think we're going to continue to see this run up. We could see it for a couple more weeks. We could see it rolling into, obviously, March. But I think we'll continue to be here for a while. Now that dark blue circle that we said right here is actually the halving event itself, which is expected to happen in April 15th. Now I'll show you See how that circle actually does come into the blue box here. So see where the green little arrow is, the candle is there. Okay, so we could be getting into that. Now, go back and look on 2021. We had a little bit of a retrace. See how we rolled up as we entered into that blue circle, and then we had kind of a retrace / consolidation. So again, I think we could get back to our all-time high of 68,000. Okay, give or take, right in that ballpark. Okay, I was like, people like, got to be very specific, Austin. I think it's 68,789 to be quite honest with you, right there. 69. Close enough, right? Okay, so we could be seeing a couple more weeks of this run. Again, nothing to be worried about. That's just what history tells us. We'll see. So there you go. Okay, final shout out as far as words here. Definitely consider looking at my software down below. There's SHIB approximately 15 days ago. It gave a buy alert and it's up 20%. Here's Polygon right here. Okay, there's a buy alert right there. 20 days ago, gave a buy alert for Polygon. It was said it was time to buy Polygon. Here's Tron. You can see that's, and right here, this red's what a sell alert looks like. Okay, so Tron, as an example, gave a buy alert 59 days ago, 35%. Ethereum, there's your boy Ethereum. There's a sell alert right there. We had a little bit of consolidation, and there's a buy alert coming in right there. 21 days ago, up 40%. So if you were using the software, you get alerts. Boom, you're good to go. Tells you when to buy, when to sell. Buy low, sell high, lock in those profits. Gives you all that insight. Links in the description below. 30-day, no questions asked, refund guarantee, as well as there's a discount code down there. See ya.